2 Timothy chapter 2 verse 14. Remind them of these things and charge them before God not to quarrel about words, which does no good, but only ruins the hearers. We will look at the second directive today that says charge them. The word charge is a very strong word. This is not a light and gentle exhortation that Timothy is expected to give, but a serious warning to the people under his care. The reason for this charge is that there are verbal arguments within the church, to the point that it even ruins others hearing them. Verbal arguments may seem intellectual or even theological, but is no good ruining the hearers. From the Greek word used to translate ruin, we also get the English word catastrophe. So we can see the kind of damage such verbal arguments does to people. This is exactly the kind of situation that Paul has said earlier from his first letter to Timothy. In 1 Timothy 6 verse 3 to 6, Paul says, "If anyone teaches a different doctrine and does not agree with the sound words of our Lord Jesus Christ, and the teaching that accords with godliness, he is puffed up with conceit and understands nothing. He has an unhealthy craving for controversy and for quarrels about words, which produce envy, dissension, slander, evil suspicions, and constant friction among people who are depraved in mind and deprived of the truth, imagining that godliness is a means of gain, but godliness with contentment is great gain." And also when instructing Titus about similar people, in Titus 3 verse 10 and 11, Paul says, "As for a person who stirs up division, after warning him once and then twice, have nothing more to do with him, knowing that such people is warped and sinful, he is self-condemned." And so when Paul says to Timothy, charge them before God, this is a serious command that Timothy needs to exercise as a pastor. Have a blessed day.